Basic use. We use the zero conditional to talk about facts. The result is always true, or usually true. Example. If water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. Example. If the sun goes down, it gets dark. The zero conditional is common for rules, science, and habits. It does not talk about one special future plan. Example. If students are late, the teacher writes their names. Basic form. The form is simple. If plus present simple, and present simple again. Both parts use the present simple. Example. If you heat ice, it melts. Example. If I eat too much sugar, I feel tired. In the he, she, or it form, remember the final S in the present simple. This is very important in the result part too. Example. If it rains, the street gets wet. Example. If she drinks coffee at night, she sleeps badly. Two possible orders. The if part can come first. When it comes first, we usually put a comma after it. Example. If you press the red button, the light turns on. The result part can also come first. In this order, we do not use a comma before if. Example. The light turns on if you press the red button. Example. Plants die if they do not get water. Using when. We can often use when instead of if. Use when you mean every time something happens. Example. When babies are hungry, they cry. Example. When I feel cold, I put on a jacket. Negative sentences. For negative ideas, use do not or does not with the base verb. We still use the present simple in both parts. Example. If you do not water flowers, they die. Example. If my phone does not have battery, it does not work. Examples. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. If a cat sees a dog, it runs away. If I wake up early, I drink tea. If the door is open, the dog goes outside. If you touch fire, it burns your hand. If people exercise, they feel stronger. If the fridge is open, the food gets warm. If I do not wear glasses, I do not see well. When the alarm rings, I get up. When it snows, children make snowmen. The screen turns black if the computer sleeps. My mother smiles when I bring flowers. If you put milk in the sun, it smells bad. If a plant gets light, it grows. If the traffic light is red, cars stop. Quiz. Choose an option. If water freezes, it becomes ice. Choose an option. Gets. If you heat soup, it gets hot. Choose an option. Rings. When the bell rings, students leave the classroom. Choose an option. Goes. If my sister is tired, she goes to bed early. Choose an option. Do not clean. If you do not clean your teeth, they hurt. Choose an option. Grows. The grass grows if it rains a lot. Choose an option. Feel. If people eat too fast, they feel sick. Choose an option. When I open the window, fresh air comes in. Choose an option. Cries. If the baby is hungry, he cries. Choose an option. Do not sleep. If I do not sleep well, I feel tired. Choose an option. Stops. If you press this key, the music stops. Choose an option. Turn off. The room gets dark when we turn off the light. Choose an option. Dies. If a fish is out of water, it dies. Choose an option. C. If I see a big spider, I feel scared. Choose an option. Closes. If the shop closes, people go home.